Yo, what up guys, this is Proxy. We are back with another video and we are killing the jugular boss right now. We still haven't got a ticket, which is very sad that we have not got one yet because we are in a pretty high KC for what the drop is. The drop is for a skip it ticket is around, let's see what it is. Did they remove? Oh, 1 in 83. And we've definitely killed a lot more than that. Let's go ahead and just look at it. Just to see. We've killed 238. And we have not got one, which is crazy. But it's all good. We're going to just move on. And we're going to open these release coins. So if you don't know where to use the release coins, you just go home. And then north on the way to global. It's this big huge chest right here, you can't miss it. We are on group 2, 3 more rows, and we can go on to the next. You have to click the next group every time. It's 1k points right now. So we got some boxes. We get some basic here. We can just go ahead and sell that. Let's open these master boxes. See what we get out of there. Some gems. DR scroll for 15 minutes. And some more gems. Alright. Let's open these destruction keys. We'll probably get a lot of scrolls from this. Ooh, we got a blood box. Blood boxes are always good. We did get diabolical gloves on KC33, which is pretty crazy. We get 50 Kwambuan. Let's open some more intense boxes. Let's open a master box. Get that. Get a YouTube point. Ooh, right past the triplicity stife to scroll. And everyone says just buy the boxes from the blood shop, so maybe we will do that. We haven't been to the wildy in a while. We've just been grinding. We're on 90 Slayer right now. We have a lot of gems stacked up though. So yeah, we might just buy some blood boxes for you. We got 15. Let's see if we can get anything. We did get the diabolical gloves on 33, so maybe we'll get lucky. I don't know. We get 10 3-minute protections. Ooh, blood claws. Oh, 60-minute protection scroll. 10 overloads. Yeah, we're almost getting blood claws again. Look at that. Almost blood claws again. That's 3 times in a row. 50 Kwambuan. Oh, diabolical helm. That would have been sick. We were 1 off. Damn. 150 venge runes. Damn, right past the shield. 10 overloads. 10 freezing runes. Oh, the bow would be nice. 3 60-minute protection scrolls. 25 vengeance runes. Damn, I just want a diabolical piece, I'm not gonna lie. We were so close so many times. 25 more vengeance runes. 10 more overloads. We definitely don't need overloads. We have like 419. And 2 3-minute protection scrolls. And 4 blood pots. So the blood pots are good. We will take the blood pots. Let's go to the grinding shop. We have 46k. So let's go and just buy some tense boxes. Maybe we'll get enough release coins. Yep, we got enough release coins for a roll. We will sell that. And let's go to this and roll. We get 20% damage roll for 15 minutes. And nice, now we are on group 3. We get Helion keys from this, that's nice. Raid keys, which we don't need. Glorious Gearbox. Let's see what's in the Glorious Gearbox, I'm kinda curious. If you guys are ever curious what's in any boxes, you can go to the reward list in the quest tab. You can check it out. Oh my. Diabolical would be nice. The rest of the gear, I don't care for. I already have triplicity. Well, I have trilogy, but I do have a sort of triplicity too. We're gonna go ahead and re-roll this trilogy wand, see if we can get something else. I want a different piece. I don't want the helmet. I just want like legs or something. Oh, we got the legs. That's actually really pog. Alright. Let's go ahead and look. Now we are at 8,300 magic damage. That's crazy. Let's go. We are at 90 Slayer. We are almost at 92 for boss tasks, and then we will be able to start instancing Slayer, which that will be huge. We kind of gave up on mining, like getting to 98 is kind of crazy. And I don't know if it's really worth it. I mean, the blood gems did get doubled, but I guess we'll have to see for a different time. But thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate all the support. And until next time, this is Proxy, and I'm out. We'll open one more key for you guys. One more key, one more key. Oh, Master Box. Master Box is always good. And we got gems. Alright, see you guys later. And I'm out.